Do you remember being 18 years old? I felt confused between being a child and an adult. Everyone wanted me to know everything about life, but I did not know what to do. I felt scared about my future. My dreams were big, but I felt small and unsure. Do you remember being 18 years old? I felt confused between being a child and an adult. Everyone wanted me to know everything about life, but I did not know what to do. I felt scared about my future. My dreams were big, but I felt small. Now I want to talk to my younger self. I want to tell her that feeling unsure is normal. It is okay to not know your path yet. Today I will share some important lessons. I learned these things from my life experience. I hope they can help you too. First, let's talk about work and study choices. I felt big pressure to choose one job for life. People said I must decide everything now. But life does not work like that for most people. You can try different jobs and learn. Making mistakes is part of learning. When I was 18, I only cared about school grades. I thought good marks meant future success. But I forgot about other important skills. Talking well with people is very important. Working in teams is also necessary. These skills help you in real life. Many people told me to follow my heart for work, but sometimes your heart cannot pay for food. I found a good way to think about work. Do what you are good at doing. Do what people need. And do what can make you money. This way you can be happy in your job. For friends, I thought I needed many friends. I wanted to be in many friend groups. This made me feel very tired always. Then I learned about true friends. A few real friends are better than many fake friends. Good friends understand you deeply. Learning to say no was hard for me. I always tried to make people happy. Saying no felt bad at first. But keeping your energy is important. Saying no shows you respect yourself. It helps you feel calm inside. Being alone is not always bad. I found strength when I spent time alone. Quiet time helped me know myself better. I learned what I really like. I became more independent. Being okay alone helps make better relationships. I used to see mistakes as very bad things. Every wrong thing felt like a big problem. Now I know mistakes help us learn. They show us what does not work. Mistakes are just lessons, not who you are. No one talked about mental health before. We only cared about how we looked. I wish I knew about rest earlier. Sleeping well is not being lazy. Taking breaks is good for you. Your mind needs care, like your body. Asking for help was difficult for me. I thought it showed I was weak, but I learned that asking for help is strong. Talking to teachers or family is smart. It shows you are growing up. Everyone needs help sometimes. It took me many years to learn these things. I share them to help other people. Life is easier when we learn early. Be nice to yourself on your journey. Learning takes time and patience. Every day teaches us something new. Growing as a person takes small steps every day. I wanted to change quickly before, but real change comes from daily habits. Reading a little every day helps. Learning something new each month is good. Small things become big things over time. Traveling taught me many good things. Seeing new places opened my eyes. Meeting different people changed my thinking. I learned there are many ways to live. Every place has something to teach. Travel makes you more understanding. Managing money is an important skill. I wish I learned it when I was young. Saving money regularly is very smart. Spending less than you earn brings peace. Learning new things is the best investment. Money freedom gives you more choices. Taking care of your body is very important. Moving your body makes you feel better. Eating good food gives you energy. Sleeping well helps your brain work. Your body health affects your mind health. A healthy body helps a healthy mind. Looking back at my life, I feel thankful. Every experience taught me something good. The difficult times made me stronger. The happy times gave me joy. Every person helped me grow. Life is about learning every day. To my young self, I want to say this: be kind to yourself on your path. Don't hurry to know all answers. Enjoy finding out about life. Make mistakes and learn from them. Believe that things will be okay. To everyone listening, remember this: your journey is special and different. Don't compare yourself with others. Think about your own growth and joy. Be patient with your progress. Good things need time to grow. Life is a beautiful learning journey. Welcome every moment with open heart. Learn from both good and bad times. Keep growing and keep exploring. Your best days are still coming. Thank you for being with me today. Sometimes you may doubt yourself, but do not forget, you are already improving. Language learning requires persistence, even on the days when your motivation feels low. If you keep going with the right method, you will eventually see real results. And remember, results do not always come in big steps. Often they appear in small victories. Finishing one page, understanding one new phrase, or practicing while you wash your face, these are all valuable. Be kind to yourself, because every small effort is a contribution to your future self. Learning is never wasted. It always builds something inside you. Thank you for joining me today. Keep up the practice, and see you again in the next episode.